History has been made. The dawn of a new era in Samsung and Android dominance is here. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is not footage of a PlayStation console. What you're witnessing is the Snapdragon GPU performance showcasing the latest Unreal Engine. This is the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. It's astonishing how Qualcomm has enhanced the Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it significantly faster and more efficient compared to last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We're talking about a 44% faster CPU, a 40% faster GPU, and a 45% faster NPU, all while being around 40% more power efficient. Built on Qualcomm's custom Orion CPU cores, the performance is comparable to that of high-end PCs. This shift from the Gen series to Elite clearly reflects the remarkable advancements in performance. The capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite far exceed those of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. There's even footage of a Snapdragon 8 Elite phone running console-quality games like Assassin's Creed, proving that the GPU in this device is the most powerful we've seen in a smartphone, transforming the Galaxy S25 Ultra into a true gaming powerhouse. To maximize this incredible performance, Samsung and Qualcomm need to collaborate with major game studios. In addition to gaming and CPU enhancements, we're seeing groundbreaking advancements in AI. The second-generation Galaxy AI, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, can now access your phone's camera directly. For instance, point your camera at a receipt, and the AI will provide real-time solutions within seconds. It's truly remarkable. We've previously seen image erasing capabilities in photos, but now, with Snapdragon, this functionality extends to videos as well. The Snapdragon 8 Elite features a 35% faster AI ISP camera unit, capable of capturing images from sensors up to 320 megapixels. With this new ISP, we're set to witness unparalleled performance from Samsung's 200MP sensor in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I've heard that Samsung is specifically targeting significant improvements in video performance compared to the S24 Ultra, and with this powerful ISP, they have everything they need to realize that vision. To truly unlock the potential of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Samsung is diligently working on One UI 7.0 for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the smoothness and performance of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will surpass that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, potentially delivering the smoothest software experience Samsung has ever offered. I can't wait to see the combination of One UI 7.1 and the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It promises to be an incredible pairing. Although there's no official confirmation yet, it's likely we'll see the Snapdragon 8 Elite across all Galaxy S25 models. In other news, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will launch in 4 standard colors, as revealed by Ice Universe: black, green, blue, which I'm particularly excited about, and titanium gray. As always, there will be exclusive online colors to expand the color palette even further. As we approach the launch date, we're seeing more physical leaks of the S25 Ultra, including screen protectors for both the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus, confirming design changes with more rounded edges. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, catch you later.